In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable boot logging on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. Once it says please wait, you can release pressure on the shift key. And then once your Toshiba device launches into the advanced options, we're going to then make another couple selections here. First one would be to select troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options, and then select advanced options and select startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select the restart button. And now on this page, you would tap the F2 or function 2 key to enable boot logging, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.